The Ministry of Environment, Forestry and Tourism hereby announces to the public as well as our welcome visitors that the popular recreational area of Dune 7, that is in the Dorob National Park near the town of Walvis Bay, will be closed with immediate effect. This is to allow for renovations and construction of ablution facilities as well as other recreational facilities, as well as to allow the contractors and the ministry staff to clean the area to ensure that it is conducive for our visitors during the festive season when we open it up. Dune 7 in its current state poses a healthy threat to our visitors, and therefore it is required that we clean it up and also we renovate the ablution facilities to enhance the experience of our visitors. We call upon residents of Walvis Bay, the Namibian people and our visitors not to go to the sites, to allow for a smooth construction and renovation of facilities there so that we have them open in time of the festive season.